Hello student, if you are in Ireland for the first time as a student and you want to apply for the leap card, how to apply, how to get that and what difficulties you face, we will talk about all of these in this video and let's start together. So first of all, I have my website here. I have already covered a lot of topics regarding the airline ticket, what should be in your backpack, how to use the Google Maps, location services you should change, and how you will get the applications in Ireland. For example, leap card application and bus applications and so many. If you don't change your region language, region country, until that you won't get these applications. So how to do that, everything is in this post. You can check that. And how to get accommodation, I already covered that as well. And then further, I have already talked about the jobs, how you can apply for the jobs, how you prepare CVs and so much etc stuff. So everything is covered. Today topic is about bus, leap card and ID card, and then after I'll talk about the SIM card, how to get the taxi, bank account, food, groceries, free stuff you can get, PPS, and how to apply for IRP. So in today's topic, I'll be going to discuss with you guys how to get student bus leap card. We need to understand first what is a student leap card and what is leap card actually. You know, in Ireland, we have a very good connection of public transport. So if you use a normal bus card, means you put some money into that card and you can ride on the bus. You just tap your card and then the amount or the fare will be taken from your card. This is a normal bus card works. You can get these bus card from different stores. I can say Spar, Centra, Super Value, like these stores. And then you can charge whatever the amount you want. You have option to pay with the coins as well, but it's not easy. Every single person almost, you can say, when you ride on the bus, maximum people paying with their cards. Now, when you pay with your card, it will cost you €2. It has a green leap card. Regularly you can get from any store, but I'll show you how you can pay less. For students, if you are a student in Ireland, then you can apply for the student leap card, not a regular leap card. There are two different leap cards. I'm going to show you on internet just beside me, just in case if you don't know. So adult leap card for bus Ireland. So this is a normal leap card. It looks like that. And this is a student leap card. You will have a student name here and your university name here, and then you will have your student name here. So there are two different cards. This card is €5 cost. This card also costs €5, and it contains expiry date, but this card doesn't have an expiry date. So these are two different things. It works for 1 year, and after 1 year, if you are still a student, you can apply your next card as well. Okay, so the first card is easy to get by Centra, Spar and Super Value. I told you already. The second one, how you apply for the student bus card for the first time. So there are so many difficulties because you don't until you don't have your ID card from your university. So in that case, you get so many difficulties to get your card. It always get rejected. The reason is when you apply and when you upload your document, you get some difficulties, and I'll let you know what to and how to fix that. So first of all, when you are going to apply for the leap card, you need to say student leap card Ireland. So student leap card, this is the first link here. I'll put all the links in the description. You can click and straight away go there. So there are two ways. First is apply now here, and you can even create account, for example, by logging here. You can create account first if you want, if you're like doing sign up here. If you want, you can use your email address and so on. But if you don't want that, just go back and apply straight away. Click on the apply now. And there you need to add your date of birth. For example, I add any random date of birth. So you need to add your date of birth here. And then after, you need to check all of these signs and click on next. So it shows you here at the top that this is all about your birth date you already put. Then you need to put your personal details, ID document, student document, application photo, and then you need to put here credit amount what you want to, and then you need to pay here, and then confirmation. So this is your first time new card you are applying, and if you want to renew, you need to click here and you can straight away renew your card after adding your date of birth. And you can click on this one and renew your card. The renew your card means if you already have 1 year with the card, you already have student leap card, and you want to apply next year, and then you need to apply here as a new renew leap card. So at the moment we are in a new leap card. You put your name. For example, I put Daniel Yunus is my name, and I do put email as well. For example, I do put email, which is just a regular email here for me. This is just a testing email. Confirm your email. Eircode, I put D20 TP80, and then I put what is your county. County means where you're living. So I'm living in County Dublin. So you might know about your address. What is your address? Then you need to put your college name. Once you find your college name here, it's good. Sometimes some students don't get their college name in this list. So in that case, you need to apply here and other, and then you need to apply in other institute here, and you need to check like what are you doing at the moment. Are you a student? And you should say yes, I'm a student. So it would be mostly private college then for you. So you need to click on private college if it is for you, and what level of education you're doing. Undergraduate means you're doing 4-year degree program. If you're not doing that, it's mean postgraduate means you're doing masters here. So it's mostly postgraduate for all the students. You need to put postgraduate here, and you need to select whatever your studies are, and then you need to check on the accept terms and conditions and click on. And it says you need to apply your ID document. ID. The moment if you are a student, definitely you will have your passport in hand. So you need to apply using your passport first time. So there you go. And then what you do, take a photo of your passport. For example, you know, your passport always have like this kind of page, the first page, where you have all the details in hand, and you need to take the photo of this thing. Make sure there should be no glare. The glare means like you see there is some glare if I like that, so you can't read anything. So it should be no glare. So make sure you take a photo where you find there is no glare. Don't take the photo under the light. It should be natural light, and try to take like I have the desk at the back, so I can take photo there. Make sure it should be very clear. I hope you know how to take photos without any glare on the photo, otherwise it will not be acceptable. So that is first thing where student makes mistake, that they take a photo but it always comes with the glare. So you need to adjust somehow where should be a natural light, but it should be in such a position, it shouldn't be a glare on that, so that it should be very clear for the computer to understand. So it won't be a problem. Once you upload there, so once you upload yours and then click on next here, and you will see here it says put your ID card, student ID card. If you didn't get your student ID card yet, like this kind of ID card, don't worry, you can apply with your enrollment letter. Once you applied for the admission, you always get full-time offer letter that you put with your visa file as well. So you need to take, you already have a photo of that, I'm sure. If not, you can take a photo and I show you how it looks like. It might looks like that, your date of enrollment, name, and when the class starts and so on, all the details should be there, right? So it's full offer letter. You need to just take a photo of that and you need to put in your system. I just downloading this for just to show you how it works. And then you need to go there again. I'm sorry, it's here. And you need to apply there with the enrollment letter, right? And it should be signed and dated as well. It's mostly signed and dated for you. And then you need to upload that document, but mostly it doesn't work like that. When you upload the letter, for example, I upload the letter like this one here, it does work, but sometimes for some student it doesn't show you like that, right? So what happens, it asks you to take the photo, or it shows you a small photo like in the middle like that. So how you can fit that one into the right photo section, I show you some trick. The trick is you need to go to the iloveimage.com. I'll put the link as well. If you have your letter already and you took the photo, or sometime it is in PDF, you download it from your email, you convert it first to JPG. Once you converted that to JPG, then after you click on photo editor, click on select image. So how you get this image, like white background, you just need to say white background and download the horizontal type of image like that. Once you downloaded that, upload that image first. This is uploaded here. You click on that and then click on this photo. Look, it is in here in the middle now, and like that. You see, in the middle. So once you have like this, or sometime it does work like this as well, and you can make it a small or large, it should be just readable. Make sure it's in the very middle, and then you save this photo. Once you save this photo, you can upload there. It does work. Sometime it does work, because for me it didn't work first, and then I did this technique and then it worked for me. So you need to make sure, take a white background, make sure put your admission letter in the very center, and then save it. And once you save it, it will be nicely fit into the section where it wants or it asks you to do that thing. And then after you go next, and here says take a selfie or something, right? So you need to just take a selfie, upload your photo, whatever the photo you have. For example, I upload this one, and like that. So it will show you, like, you put any photo, it doesn't matter. If you have something in the background, it doesn't matter. Sometimes it does work, right? It says it should be plain background, but it doesn't matter. Sometimes it does work for me. And then after, go next and put €5 is for the leap card. It is not refundable. €5 is the card where I think they charge for the printing service. And then after, you have a top-up credit, whatever amount you want to. First of all, you go with the €50 mostly, and you will have €50 in your account. You can pay in your card, and then you click on the next, and then it asks you to put your payment details. Put your card payment details. I already show you. If you read my post, it shows you here. You can open the bank account, Revolut account, and you can, using the Revolut account, you can put your account name, card number and everything there, and phone number as well, and pay by the card. Once you pay by the card, you will receive an email, and once you receive an email, once it is approved within 1 day, once it is approved, you can go there with your offer letter, whatever you have in your phone, or if you have your ID card, you should have something. You need to bring your ID as well, I mean to say your passport, and you need to reach this place, ask them, hi, how are you, my name is this, and my leap card is there. So you will receive an email. You need to show them email as well. So this is the office, and I'm gonna put the link in the description. You can reach to this place using your Google Maps easily, and this is the way simple it works for you, and I hope it will be easy for you. And the next thing, I'm gonna show you one more thing, leap card recharge. So if you have your phone, recharge app. So the question will be, how can I top up my leap card? You can get the leap card top up application from your phone, and if you have the NFC with your phone, like you can pay with your phone remotely on any restaurant, it means your phone has the NFC thing, and you can put your card at the back of your phone. For example, I have this phone. This is an old iPhone. So once you want to recharge this leap card, you just need to hold your card at the back of your phone like that, and you need to go to leap card app, and it will show you to scan your phone, scan your card. Just hold the card and then put the amount and so on, and you can recharge yourself as well. Also, you can recharge using the local stores. For example, I told you Centra, Spar or Super Value local stores. You can go there and recharge easily, €5, €10, €20. That doesn't matter, right? So it does work in all the public transports, whether it's Lewis, in coach, in bus, it's rail, everywhere it does work. So you just need to tap, and it will be half amount for you all the time. So this is convenient for you. I hope you should apply, and you should have one. And this is the way you use this leap card top up app as well. I hope this everything will be convenient for you. And I know this is a little bit longer video, but I try to maximum explain things, whatever student get problems while getting their first leap card is rejected because of that uploading of document and has some problems, the glare, or sometimes the photo they need to upload, it should be shortened one. At the moment it was okay, might be they fixed it, but you can directly upload your PDF as well. But sometimes it doesn't work, and you need to resize, and I told you how to do that. I'll put links as well for you. And thanks very much. See you in the next one, and we will cover the next one about how to get the SIM card and which SIM card is good for you and which SIM card has the 10 euros cost for you, internet for whole month, and you can use that. So I'll show you next one there. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Take care.